girl in Kingston town. Her hair was black, her skin was brown. She was so fine, and she was all alone. We danced beneath the evening sun, drank the good Jamaican rum. We got so high, and then I took her home. She kissed me softly all night long. We sang this sweet calypso song, and when she turned to leave me, I started to mourn. She said she gotta go. Wow, I don't know why she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Wow, I don't know why she gotta go. She gotta go away. To ask her, she took my heart and ran away. Yes, she took away my laughter this lonely morning after. I wonder if she's going to stay. I sit beneath the banana tree. I wonder where can my baby be? She was so kind, how could she leave me here? I wonder if she misses me, and if she feels this misery. Was I so blind, I cannot hold my tears? I walk along deserted streets. I hear her voice so soft and sweet, the lonely sound of her parting words in my ears. She said she gotta go. Wow, I don't know why she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Wow, I don't know why she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Wow, I don't know why she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Wow, I don't know why she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Wow, no, she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Oh, she gotta go. She told me that she gotta go. Nah, she gotta go.